Brand new to our inventory here at the all-new Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Buick Enclave Essence Edition SUV that is Buick Pre-owned Factory certified. On the outside, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, blinds on alert warning system, and full power liftgate. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated front seats, push-to-start technology, and auto-dimming rearview mirror. The 8-inch LCD display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This 2019 Buick Enclave Essence has less than 64,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Call Tameron Gulf Coast at 251-626-2641 or visit us at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.